Some of us feel comfortable traveling the crowded highways, and some people want to leave home without the GPS. Some people feel the same way when it comes to Medicare. Current Health Agency provides a website that allows you to travel the many highways of Medicare. Just like when you travel the highways, sometimes you need direction and need to consult your GPS. Current Health Agency website gives you the same option to consult a licensed agent. When it comes to navigating the highway of Medicare, when you need a GPS for guidance, allow CHA, Current Health Agency, to be your GPS when you are looking for options.
$, toll route, Part B, premium. All your Medicare options. Starting from home, 65. Take right turn onto Medicare AB Highway. Take left turn onto Medicare CDMAPD Way. You have arrived at MAPD Way. Medicare ARB, option Part D. Original Medicare A and B, option with Part D. Option MA Part C without D. Original Medicare A and B, option with Part D, supplemental plan. Original Medicare A and B and option supplemental plan, without Part D.
Comradery Health Agency, the GPS of Medicare, not only allowing you to learn more about your Medicare options, whether you are new to Medicare or veteran Medicare.